Yeah, man.
But yeah, look, you got gifts. You got
Yeah.
19, 10, what is it?
What does
20.
that mean?
Wagwan, my people. Bless up. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people. We're there with a hot one in the evening here. Alright? Vybz Kartel is officially outside, my people. And the man a video, he might go live, he might do a bag of things. Alright? So you can see this, I just want like a snippet to them, I will have vibe. You understand? Look like him there, and maybe him yard or something, a chill. And just listen to him sing them, you understand? Big tune, run the world, worldwide, you understand? But anyway, my people, this is not the reason I come over here today. Alright, everybody been asking, so I'm see Vybz Kartel link up with him son them. I see him link up with, well, my people, him finally link up Likkle Addi. You understand? You can see that what going on the screen right now. And the man doing first official live. You see me? Him go over TikTok and I get a bag of gifts, and you don't know the GD kind of lock up for a while, so I don't really know how to use TikTok and them thing that. Nothing wrong with that Vybz Kartel, because guess what? Me don't even have TikTok on my phone. You understand? So big up yourself on that. But when people make a drop the video right here, so I'm gonna see what go on before I'm actually link up Likkle Addi. You don't know say I'm link up him data, don't you? Addiana. Yeah, man, I don't know say the man link up him data, man. So make we check out the live and come back real quick, my people.
What that over my head? That.
That there. Oh, they. Oh.
Yeah, them look at something there.
Oh, they can like join your team. Like they.
Okay.
But I don't know about live really. I just know basics.
Bless up in a Gaza nation. I don't know, you know. My first live, one done in overdrive. No, it go. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Gaza nation. We out here. Amen.
We're getting loads of gifts.
Big up to the fans. Big up to Gaza citizen. What you mean? That's a thing there. John, what you mean? Oh, so I just say it works so them can see me.
They can see and hear you. They should be able to hear you.
Yeah, man, I think the volume. Yeah.
I'm sure they'll answer if they can hear us.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, look, you got gifts. You got 19, 10, what is it?
Yo, my people, tell them how they think about that. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, every video with the G I push out, him just a show more and more. Him jovial side, him how charismatic he really is. You understand? I'm gonna think we don't really remember these are the things that we know Vybz Kartel from. You understand? We know him for make people laugh, you see me? Always about a news time. I don't think gonna realize, and it's from the man come out to the two kerchief tie around him face. Everybody have the PNP kerchief them tie around him face, my people. You understand? I saw the thing go. A Vybz Kartel, he is a trend setter, my people. You understand? And to them do a video and make you know, say, yo, I come back for the industry, you know. My people, they make me know the thing about that. Me, I want Gaza fan, you know, so me just, you understand? I'm just happy right now. You understand? Big up on yourself, my people. And make me know what you think about all of this, so I go on. Just the one drop the update your phone, my people. Bless up. Jamaican Chat. I'm out.
There. Oh, they. Oh.
Yeah, them look at something there.
Oh, they can like join your team. Like they.
Okay.
But I don't know about live really. I just know basics.
Bless up in a Gaza nation. I don't know, you know. My first live, one done in overdrive. No, it go. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Gaza Nation. We out here. Amen.
We're getting loads of gifts.
Big up to the fans. Big up to Gaza citizen. What you mean? That's a thing there. John, what you mean? Oh, what's it?
One quick.
Oh, so I just say it works so them can see me.
They can see and hear you. They should be able to hear you.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I think the volume. Yeah.
I'm sure they'll answer if they can hear us.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, like you got gifts. You got 19, 10, what is it?
People, so Vybz Kartel is now free. Sean's time is at a different facility, is at Horizon. Police trying to get the place in order, people. Vybz Kartel just left in the limo. We weren't close enough to actually catch that footage, but we are going to be at the greatest dancehall show ever that he'll be performing. Alright, my people? Catch the reaction of everybody. This is what the crowd is at down here, my people. Alright, and Vybz Kartel is no longer in this place, my people. No longer in this place. He's now out on the road like a normal citizen. Alright, this is the reaction here. He's now out. Yeah.